All right, welcome for a special angles and trigonometry. I think we are used to the use of calculator in getting the values, but we can also use our hand, or let me say our palm or our fingers, in finding the values of those special angles, which is 0, 30, 45, 60, and what, 90 degrees. Now, so this is your palm. I think this is should have been this way, but the little finger is where we start the counting from. So 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, and what, 90. And within your palm, we have a square root, empty square root over 2. So the empty here simply means we are going to be counting the fingers. The number of fingers we count will sit in here. So now, for the finding of sine theta, we count the fingers below the specified angle. Maybe when I start, you get it. If I stand on this, then fingers below, I'm counting the fingers below. But if I am looking for cos theta, I am counting the fingers what, above the specified special angle. Then when it comes to the tan, we know tan is a ratio of sine theta over cos. Therefore, we pick only the fingers that are below divided by the fingers that are what, above. So let's see, we make a demonstration. This is what I have. So 0, if I'm looking for this, 0. So if I am picking sine 0, how many fingers are below this? No finger, meaning 0. So 0 under the root, meaning root 0 divided by what? 2. I think that will give us 0. So sine 0 will be what? 0. Then let's pick it for all of them at once. So we are still on this pinky finger, right? As 0. So we are going to count the fingers above the 0 for a cos. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 4 here, meaning root 4, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 will give you what? 1. So cos 0 is what? 1. Alright, then when it comes to tan, we are saying that you are picking the fingers below that specified finger, then above. So below for sine, above for, what do you call it? For cos. So 0 over 4. And 0 over 4 will still give you what? 0. So tan 0, this theta is, I think we put it here, theta representing the angle. So 0 will give us this. When you come here, theta will now become 30 and move in that order. We will explain how the tan becomes this when we move forward. Let's go to 30. So 30 below. So this is 30 finger below. 1 finger below. So that 1 finger will be here. So root 1 is 1. 1 over 2 remain 1 over 2. So that is sine 30 is 1 over 2. How about the cos 30? We are still here, 30, right? How many fingers we are going to have above the counted figure? 1, 2, 3. Root 3 divided by 2. So this gives me the root of 3 divided by 2. How about the tan? We are saying here, still here, tan. So 1 divided by what? This. But don't forget, what we are picking here, it is 1 as the root of 1. Right? And this is 3 as the root of 3. So root 1 over root 3, which is 1 over the root of 3. So the answer will be 1 over root 3 when you rationalize. This will give you the root of 3 over 3, I think, or so either it is 1 over root 3 or root 3 over what? 3. Alright, I'll explain why we are picking only the top, leaving the down, because the 2 is the one that we are having in the denominator. It will cancel out. Let's go to 45. 45. So this is 0, 30, 45. So below fingers will be 2. Root 2 over 2. So I have the root of 2 over 2. For cos, I am still here, so 2 fingers above. So I have the root of 2 over 2. Then let's come to the tan. It's going to be root 2 divided by root 2, and that will give you 1. So I have here only what? 1. I'm sure you are following the concept. I'm doing it a little bit slow so that you can get the idea. Then 60, which is going to be this finger. So 60, I'll be counting 3 for sine. So root 3 over 2. The root of 3 over 2. Let's come to cos. We are here 45 cos 60. How many fingers are above the 60? Above is 1. 1 here divided by what? 2. That's 1 over 2. I'll explain some complementary angles along the line, but let's go. Then tan. We are here 60. So the root of 3 divided by what? Root 1. I mean, when we put the finger here, so root 3 over root 1. That gives us only the root of what? 3. Then 90. Where are we? 90. So all this is 1, 2, 3, 4 for sine. So the root of 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. So I have here 1. Let's go. We are still here. For cos, fingers above. How many fingers are above this? Only 1 finger, right? No, there's no finger. This is here. The 90. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is 0. So 0 in here divided by 2 will give us what? 0. Then the tan. Tan, we are here picking root 4 divided by 0. What will happen? Root 4 is 2 divided by 0. That is undefined. So I think I'll just write infinity. That is undefined. All right. Now we have what we call a complementary angles. Okay. We know that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So if it is 90 degrees and I have the sine 30 degree, it means that the opposite, when I have this is 90, not drawn to scale. So here will be 60 degree, here will be 30. So if I'm using this angle, it will work with this as opposite and find its values. If I have this, it will come here as what? Opposite. When you find its values, you will come back to see that the value of the sine 30 is the same as what? The value of cos what? 60. As we can see from here, what is it? 30 sine 30, right? Cos 60. You see it here? So the value of sine 30, as long as the two values we are having, when you add them, you get 90 degrees. Then it means that their values will be the same. That is why if I have the sine of 60 degree, it will be the same as what? The cos of what? 30 degree. That is why the sine of 45 degree is the same as what? The cos of what? 45 degree. Because 45 plus 45 give us 90 degrees. So we can see 45 for sine, 45 for cos. The two together give us the same value. It means that when this and this, the value of the function, when you add, you get that. I think in one of the episodes, we mentioned that sine theta is the same as the cos of 90 minus what? Theta. So you can see it here. Sine theta equals to the cos of 90 minus what? Theta, which is 90 minus 30, we give you what? The 60. So these are the various ways by which we can also find the value of the special angles without the use of a calculator. Just by looking at our fingers, we can find those values. And I'm sure in some of my episodes, I did use my hand, and a lot of people are asking how. I think I have done an episode on this before, but I can't find that episode. So I think this will refresh your memory. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.